With conventional ERP systems, business often face a tough choice. Flexibility comes at a high cost and complex setups, while low-cost options force rigid processes that slows the teams down. The good news is you don't have to choose. ERPNext eliminates this trade-off. Built on the Frappe framework, it's open source, flexible, and powerful, bringing inventory, CRM, manufacturing, and HR together in a single platform. And with Oodles as your implementation partner, we use the Frappe framework's low-code tools and API-first architecture to model your workflow exactly as they operate. Every process, module, and integration is configured to match your industry, from production costing to complex inventory rules. This means your approvals flow instantly, inventory stays accurate, finance and operations are always perfectly in sync. You gain faster decisions, fewer errors, controlled cost, and scalable operations, all with the full control and freedom to customize without hidden fees or vendor lock-in. With ERPNext, you gain enterprise-level power, and Oodles ensure it delivers, turning your ERP into a true partner for your business. To explore more, visit oodles.com today.